Come on, let's get real. What if, at just the right time, just the right people, made just the right car? This is a Mark V VW Golf GTI, a no-nonsense piece of German engineering. They came with a 2-litre turbo engine producing 200 brake horsepower, and they are quick. You can ask anybody who's ever owned one. There's something about them, and they just love them. I'm Satch, and welcome to Driver 81. So how well do you remember 2006? It's probably harder than you think. But here's a quick reminder. The last TVRs were rolling off the factory floor. Italy won the World Cup. The Packers won the Super Bowl. CeeLo Green spent 9 weeks at number 1 with Crazy. Bush was in the White House. Blair was at number 10. Oh, and this Golf GTI was born. You know what I love about this car? It's so simple, it's very analog, and you don't have any overcomplicated systems coming in and interrupting your drive. And it reminds me of being a kid when simple things made me smile. The simple things in life, if you will. You know, when we were kids, we either wanted to go outside and play football, play on a bike, or play on a go-kart. And I kind of feel sorry for the kids of today because all they seem to be doing is going online, playing Xbox, play PlayStation, watching YouTube, watching some asshole on YouTube.
You're an idiot!
Anyway, the majority of those kids don't get to experience what we did. This Golf GTI is that in cars. This is jumpers for goalposts. This is playing on your bike. This is playing with a go-kart. Now I know a lot of this is all down to personal opinion, but I think this car is going down in history as one of the best Golf GTIs ever made, and indeed one of the best sports cars ever made for the money that you'll pay for the car. It's a manual gearbox, it's got 6 gears, 3 pedals down below, and everything that happens in this car is a direct result of what I do with my feet and my hands. I'm doing all the work. If I say 5th gear, 5th gear. If I say 3rd gear, 3rd gear. I'm the one doing all of that. Everything that happens is a direct result of my feet and my hands, which is what I love. Now back in 2006, this car would have left the factory with 200 brake horsepower, and it would have cost you £5 short of £20,000. And in today's market, at the time of making this video, February 2018, you can pick one of these cars up for £2,000, albeit it's probably going to be a high miler and a little rough around the edges. £2,000 is a hell of a bargain. Well, this car though, I paid £3,500. And I'm going to let you in on a little secret. This car has what they call a Stage 1 APR. So it's been remapped and it's pumping out roughly 250 brake horsepower. And it goes like the clappers. And for £3,500, I don't think you can get a better sports car in this condition, with this pedigree, this iconic, this quick. I can't think of anything else you could buy for that money. I think that first of all, this is a sporty hatchback road car that can be easily driven to the track and be given a good spanking if that's what you're into. When I put my foot down, it just has an enormous sense of capability, but at no time at any point does it ever feel intimidating. Now the exhaust tone or exhaust note on this car does sound a little drony and a little bit juvenile, if I'm honest. But I dare you, I just dare you to drive through a tunnel and not put your foot down. Oh, tunnel. Oh, the noise. Holy Jesus balls. The idea of this car is that it flies under the radar and it kind of blends in with every other sporty hatchback on the road today. I get that, but to somebody who is completely unexpecting, they'll be absolutely none the wiser. But if you know, you know. Now, one thing I'm going to say about this car before I sign off is that it's very easy to diagnose any sort of faults on these cars. They're very easy to fix. The parts are cheap. My advice, if you're getting one of these cars, would be to buy a diagnostic tool for it. It's going to give you lots of information about the car itself. Go for the iCourse of i908 kit. I'll put the link directly below this video. You'll be able to see it on screen right now on the Diagnostic World website. Go and check it out. You will not regret buying that tool for this car, or any other Mark 5 or VW Golf for that matter. So I'm off to do a little bit more driving in this car. Absolutely love putting my foot down. I'm just going to go back and forwards and put my foot down. Thanks for watching this video. Please like the video, it really helps my channel. Please also subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel. It literally takes 2 seconds. I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers. At the time of making this video, I'm at 22,000, 23,000, something like that. So really appreciate your support. If you're already subscribed, please give it a subscribe if you're not. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.